Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Unity Hub. Open your project now. Why this matters is simple: matching editor avoids compile errors. Once the editor loads, focus on the project window and assets. Those hold your scripts. Right-click a script to reveal options like Open, Show in Explorer, or Open C# project. Do this first so your code editors and Unity communicate correctly. Make sure the file is visible before moving on to editing. Double-click the script. Unity opens your configured C# editor, for example Visual Studio or Writer, because Unity generates project files that the editor uses. If nothing happens, right-click the script and choose Open With, then select your editor. This fixes wrong associations. Once done, use Assets right arrow Open C# project to force regeneration of SLN and CSproj files so IntelliSense and debugging. Edit your script in the editor. Save the file and then switch back to Unity so it can compile. You'll see results in the console. If scripts still won't open, check Unity Preferences, right arrow External Tools, and verify the external editor path, plus file associations in your OS. Once done, restart Unity or the editor to apply changes. If compilation fails, clear the console and address the first error listed. Unity stops at the initial error, so fixing it usually resolves subsequent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.